colleague recommended that I connect with Karrikins Group for a strategy session where my board was going to plan what we were going to focus on over the next 1 to 3 years. My favorite thing about working with Karrikins Group is that the process was very collaborative. I brought a problem to Karrikins Group in terms of I wanted my board to be more interactive. I wanted to look at the next 1 to 3 years as we came out of a really pivotal moment. I'm a new president of this organization. So we had all of these things coming together. And I brought that to Karrikins Group, and that started a really sort of iterative process in terms of what is this session really going to look like, which they took input from me and brought their own sort of expertise to the table in order to craft a really tailored, effective session. So the outcomes of this strategy session with Karrikins Group were immediate. We had a board meeting in the 3 hours that followed the strategy session, and my board was much more engaged, which was one of my major goals of the session. They also have a better understanding not only of holistically what the organization does, but of where they really should be engaging and where they can be working with each other and with me to really move the organization forward. So we will have more follow-up from this session. It has started us down a longer process of planning and pulling together sort of the big picture for the board, but it was an essential first step. So the 3 words that I would use to describe the Karrikins Group experience are collaborative, energizing, and transformative. If you're thinking about engaging with Karrikins for your board work, I would say go for it. Facilitation for a strategic session is worth its weight in gold, and Karrikins brings a unique perspective to that because they're not just looking at sort of the 10,000-foot view, they're looking at how you actually get there. So if you're having difficulty with board members or you just want to reset them in terms of what you want them to be thinking about, Karrikins brings a unique style and sort of method to how you can align them to move forward.